Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished washing my hair. So I'm coming on today with wet hair because I got a new dryer. Yes, I did. I got a new blow dryer. I got the Lathan blow dryers. The Lathan hair dryer is a high performance styling tool designed for quick and efficient hair drying. Featuring advanced technology, it utilizes a powerful motor to provide rapid airflow while minimizing heat damage. I love how lightweight it is, so while you're drying your hair, you know, sometimes your arms get tired. You don't have to worry about that with this because it's so lightweight. This diffuser delivers even airflow, and in just minutes it enhances volume and curl definition. You guys can see this side of my hair is pretty much dry. I didn't really blow dry this side, but this side is pretty much dry already. Can y'all see that? So it happens really fast, and you can control the temperature on it if you want to do cold, hot, warm. You have orange for warm, red for hot, blue for cold, and purple for hot and cold cycle mode. You can control all of that from this little button right here. They have a matte black, they have a matte white, a matte blue, a matte purple, and then they have the matte pink, which is the one that I have. Y'all probably already knew about this dryer and just didn't tell me, and I don't like that. A lot of people compare this one to the Dyson, which is a $500 dryer. I've never used the Dyson. It's so nice. I needed a new dryer. Thank you so much, Lathan, for sponsoring this video. Y'all tell me why I went to the store. I started to go to Trader Joe's. Got to the register. The lady was like ringing up the stuff. I reach in my bag and realize I don't have my wallet because I forgot to put it in this bag. So I had to leave my groceries, go home, and get my wallet. No, I should have went to Trader Joe's because Trader Joe's has taps. Walmart doesn't. And Trader Joe's is cheaper. But y'all know Trader Joe's don't have like all the things that you need when you're cooking. So it really sucks. Tony tell me it's not a big deal. I'm like, yeah, you can say that because you ain't have to go through this. All right, let's go in the house. Okay, we made it up, so let me show y'all really quick what I picked up. So this is what I went to Walmart for, the chicken and roasted garlic ravioli. So I'm making this for dinner tonight. Sirloin steaks, OJ, veal peas with snaps, coffee, browning, collards, smoked turkey wings, eggs, ragu, Alfredo, and chicken thighs. I've never tried this particular browning before, but this one says real Jamaican. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried this before. But I use this sometimes when I'm being lazy, when I make my gravy. I don't know when I'm gonna make gravy, but I saw this, I grabbed it. And y'all know I can't find smoked turkey parts at Trader Joe's, but I use those to make my veal peas with snaps and my greens. I don't know when I'm gonna make that, sometime this week though. My protein for this week will probably be salmon, steak, And then the chicken thighs, y'all know I've been like loving chicken thighs lately. And also, I am on a boiled egg kick. So y'all know I told y'all that I don't really do eggs like that, but if eggs are cooked in something like tuna or something like that, then I can eat it. But as far as like scrambled eggs and things, you know, where I have to actually crack the egg open, I can't do that. I don't even want to talk about why, because I'm getting ready to eat some of these eggs. We'll talk about it another day. So yesterday for Mother's Day, I did have, Tony made me a New York strip. So I still have half in there. So I'm going to eat maybe 2 hard-boiled eggs and the steak for breakfast. And then I'm going to chill out until it's time for me to make dinner. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up from the store today. So y'all, I got the straws in. I decided to get the biodegradable ones, the plant-based straws. These are the ones that they have at True Foods and Kairos and a couple of other like healthier places. So let me show y'all what they look like. And I'll just use these like around the house and when I want to make a coffee to go. So it comes with 100. They wasn't that much either. I think I paid like $6 for these, but if I could get it out. So they look like this. I like these better than the paper straws because the paper straws, they tear up, they bend, and they're annoying. So I decided to get these. I'll link them in the description box below. And I got a few more things from Amazon. Y'all, I'm so tired. Today was arm day, but I still did 20 minutes of cardio. I'm tired. It's a little cat. I got some of the poly gloves because y'all, I still haven't recorded my mukbang. I've been missing. I need to get back on it. But the last time I did one, I used these gloves and I really liked it because if you guys have been watching my mukbangs, like I'm the type of person, I don't like a lot of mess on my hands, so I can run through like half a roll of paper towels because I'm constantly wiping my hands off. So when I used the gloves on the last video, I really liked it because like I said, I didn't, and I never use gloves, but I didn't have to constantly wipe my hands. So I bought these, and this says it's a pack of 100, but this is like a thin box, but it said it's 100 gloves in here. So I'm happy to have these, and these are food safe, so they're latex free, powder free, and it fits either hand. So got that, and then I bought some little anklets because I don't have any. I had some anklets, but I don't know what happened to them. So this one comes with 2 anklets. Hopefully I can fit them. Oh yeah, they have. So 2 different anklets. So it's the anklet with the heart and then just like this little plain anklet right here. I think like anklets look so cute. So I want to start wearing them this summer. So I just started off with something small. I usually find cute ones in TJ Maxx, but I haven't found any that I like. And then I bought these little plain little slides like this, because these look so cute when you just doing like some jeans, like a cute little oversized look, and you have like the little thin ones. I have the platform ones, but they're just so heavy to me. I got a size 9. Y'all know sometimes I like to go up a size, but yeah, these are just like simple little slides, but they look cute when you put them on with that little outfit or something. I'll probably pop up like a cute little picture so y'all can kind of see a little vision, but y'all will see these. And this was a pretty decent amount. I had found some on I had found some on Revolve, but they was like $100 and something. I'm like, girl, for these, no. Let me go on Amazon real quick. And I found these for like, how much were these? I think they was like $25, $30, something like that. So just like simple with a cute little casual outfit. Have your cute little toes done. He's gonna be real cute. Okay, y'all, just so y'all can see the vibe with the flip-flops, this is what I'm talking about. Just really chill. Let me back y'all up a little bit. But yeah, just a really chill look with like a little tank top. I don't know if I would wear a tank top that would show my stomach, but I would definitely wear like some oversized jeans. Just like a real cool girl look, easy, but I'll still look elevated because I would have like a nice bag, a nice pair of shades, my hair be cute, you know, lip gloss popping, and I mean it, okay? So yeah, and these jeans are from H&M. I like to get a size 14. They fit they fit exactly how I want them to fit when I get a size 14 from H&M and Old Navy, and then I just get the back taken in. So that's how they look. I love the way that these jeans look. I would have to get the bottom on these taken up though, because when I got my waist taken in, I think she forgot to do the bottom on these. So I'm gonna get her to do that. Just to, right now I have them folded, but like if I was to wear these out, I wouldn't want them to unravel. So, but yeah, these are exactly how I like my jeans to fit. So if you're my size 14 at H&M or Old Navy, they fit really good, but you have to get your waist taken in for it to look really cute. So yeah, this is the vibe. I need my toes done, so don't judge me, okay? And then let me show y'all these pants that I got from TikTok. And remember I was telling y'all about them shoes? I actually saw those on TikTok, but I went to the actual website to order them. Because when I went to do the refund, I went straight to TikTok and I didn't see the order. That's when I remember I went straight to the website. I probably shouldn't have did that. Okay, so these are the pants that I found on TikTok. They're wide leg pants. They have the, they're kind of like the corduroy almost, but they're really light. But I love them. I saw this girl with them on. She was selling them through the TikTok shop, so I bought them. I just don't know how I would style them just yet. I don't know if I would do like a crop t-shirt. That's kind of how she wore hers. Or like a cute little tank. But these are so cute. I'm wearing a size medium. Am I wearing a medium or large? I got them in 2 different colors. They come in, I think, maybe like 6 different colors. So of course I got black and brown because those are my favorite colors to wear. But I love the way that these look. I haven't worn them yet. I'm gonna do a video on TikTok and then I'll link them. I don't know when I'm gonna do the video. Sometime this week I'll do it. But how cute are these? So cute. I probably could have got a large too, but because I'm short, I didn't want them to drag. And then let me show y'all how they look in the back. Let me look at the size. Yeah, I got a medium. And then here is the black. They're just so cute. They feel so comfortable. They have this thick band around the waist and look how much space. Like really nice pockets, everything. So yeah, these are cute. I'm gonna go start dinner. I just got back because I had to go pick up my son because he doesn't have practice today because it's supposed to rain. I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner and let you guys watch that, and then that's gonna be the end of the vlog.